Warning! This is confusing. Please pay attention. Car. 有空有时间 In lesson 6, there are quite a few time expressions and it's easy to get them confused. So let's differentiate just a bit. In a previous lesson, we learned 时间有时间 time, to have time. Lesson 6 also introduces 空 or 空 with the Beijing accent. 有空 have free time. These two expressions mean pretty much the same thing. 你有没有空? Do you have any free time? 你有没有时间? Do you have any time, like time that you could give me, which is also your free time? Same. What makes this even more confusing, that's not so bad, is that previously in lesson 3 we learned 几点, what time. 几点 replaced the question word 几 with the number, like for example 一点, 2点, 3点, what time. In lesson 6, without actually introducing it as vocab, we have 什么时候, which literally means what? Time. 什么时候, though, is different from 几点. 几点 is referring to a specific time, an o'clock, 2点, 2 o'clock, 3点, 3 o'clock. 什么时候 just means when, any old time, when are you free? 所以你会看到你什么时候有空? You, when, have free time. When are you free? 你什么时候有空? The question word is when. Just replace it with the time. For example, this evening. 我今天晚上有空. To ask when somebody's available, instead of 有空, you could also use 有时间. When do you have 时间? 你什么时候有时间? 是。你什么时候有时间? When do you have time? Let's say it's on the weekend. 我周末有时间。有空。您明天什么时候有空? Because we're talking about when are you free, and maybe you're very busy. 我们都很忙。大学生都很忙. So oftentimes we use the word for until. I won't be free until 4 o'clock tomorrow. 才. Can you translate this into Chinese using the adverb 才 from lesson 5? "我明天4点才有空." Please remember we have the time, and this time is later than the other person might expect. It's kind of late. So this is the late time. 我明天4点才有空. The verb and object at the end. 好，我们练习吧。你什么时候有空? Oh, John, 你很悲观。You're such a pessimist. 很悲观。I don't have time until 5:30. 中文怎么说? Don't have time until 5:30. 我5点半才有空。才 time 才有空。I don't have free time until the weekend. 中文怎么说? "我周末才有空." Notice the English translation when we say I don't have time until, we have a negative. In Chinese, this sentence has no negative. I, time, 才 verb object. 我周末才有空。I won't have free time until after December 20th. Now, here's where we get a little bit more complicated because we add after to the sentence. It's not that tough though. Now the time phrase before 才 just becomes, instead of just December 20th, becomes after December 20th. First, let's translate the sentence without the after. 我 time 12月20号才 and the verb object 有空. All we need to do is add the word after in there. And remember, in Chinese, after comes after the time. So this sentence will become 我 time with after at the end. 12月20号以后才有空. I won't have free time until I'm 83 years old. Remember, here the time phrase is the age. That's the time when he will have free time. 83岁中文怎么说？我83岁才有空。最后一个 last one. I won't have free time until after I'm dead. Dead 死了 After I'm dead 死了以后我死了以后才有空。哇，John 真的很悲观 pessimistic